Hi family and friends, Johnny here. Just want to plant a seed of hope in your heart today. Have you ever been praying and hanging on to a promise of God and just struggled believing or struggled with faith, or just, Lord, are you really going to come through, and maybe even started feeling condemned because you didn't think you had enough belief or enough faith? Be encouraged with this. Mark chapter 9, verse 23 and 24. Jesus said to him, "If you can believe, all things are possible to him who believes." Immediately the father of the child cried out and said with tears, "Lord, I believe. Help my unbelief." Hallelujah. Jesus goes on to heal the child. He didn't rebuke the guy. He didn't kick him. He didn't say, "Well, you need to man up and believe." No. The man said, "I believe, Lord, but help my unbelief. Help those places in my heart that aren't quite there yet. Help that place in me that's resisting." Lord, and God's grace reached out and did what the man was asking. "Lord, I believe, but help my unbelief." Do you realize Jesus is always willing to help you? To raise you up to a place of believing, to raise you up to a place of faith. Friend, that is grace working in the heart of a human. Grace working in the heart of a believer raises people up to belief, raises people up to faith. Be encouraged today. God bless you.